Hello guys, this is Ninja Cat 101 here, and today I am playing Subway Surfer. And let's begin. Please give this video 5 likes, and I'll be really grateful. Thank you, and begin. My top score on this used to be at least 200,000, so I'll see how I do today. My challenge is to at least beat my record. This game is really hard to play. You think of it. I missed the L. Well, I failed. I'll just use a key. Sail. Roll 30 times. I completed that mission. Oh, I failed. 2 keys. And how am I keep on failing? I'm gonna do a free video. Okay. I just did the free video and I'm resuming. Wow, okay, I'm gonna do one more free video. When I resumed the video, it failed to resume and I didn't even know. So the video is actually probably not that long. It's probably gonna be about 10 minutes at least, or at the most. And if you guys are having a bad day, hope this video makes you have a good one. So I'm gonna be playing again, and I forgot I had hoverboards. So I'm just gonna spend all my money. And let's resume. Hopefully I can beat my score. Hoverboards rock. You don't die, they're like keys. When you have one of them, they're like a key. And I failed. Use one key and use a hoverboard. So oops, sorry. I had to pause for a second. Crap. I'm gonna do a free one. Okay. So how? I have to do one again. Okay. Now I can spawn my hoverboard and I'll be fine. I'm not even close to being my score. 17,000. Jetpack. What I don't get is when you fly, you cannot hit anything. But when you're on the ground, you die. But you can fly right through stuff when you're flying. These trains look way different from before. That was actually a close one. I almost hit the ceiling and died. Let's see what a match. Well, I beat my record. Sorry I didn't talk for a little bit. I just got concentrated in the game. So I don't really know what to do. Like, I beat the record that I just holded a couple minutes ago, and I beat it. So let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do a part 2 on this. If this at least gets 10 likes, I'll do a part 3. Part 2 is 5 likes. Thank you, and jetpack. So please show the support, and when this game's end, I think I'll have to end the video there. When the game ends. Wow, I'm running out of skateboards fast. In the bottom left, you can see I only have 3 left when I started 21. So I think I'll have to wrap it up there. So, Ninja Cat 101.